So in the last week, as I said, we had this sweep and we reacted. Friday we had a big bump and now the price has already disrespected this daily fair value gap and it's at the moment trying to approach this other daily fair value gap. So my last weekly analysis was that we could see a sweep here or a sweep here. We had a sweep here and now we are approaching this daily fair value gap, this bearish one. So I'm here to talk a little bit about where I think the price will go in the next week. So let's talk about that. So as we had already this sweep and we are approaching this early fair value gap, the plans here it's very simple in my opinion. We have these important highs. Here, if we disrespect this fair value gap, I think that we can sweep this high this week, and if we have a bad reaction here at this fair value gap, we can see a pullback, a little pullback this week. But this is the range that we are currently in. We have also this bearish fair value gap that was already disrespected, so now it's an inverse fair value gap. So maybe tomorrow we can see a move like this to mitigate inverse fair value gap, and then we will approach this fair value gap. I think this week we will not approach this fair value gap only if we lose again this inverse fair value gap, and then we can see maybe a move lower to this low, but I expect honestly a bullish week. We here had a break of structure on the daily, so very bullish. We have already respected this first fair value gap, so if we respect also this fair value gap, I have 99%, it will have 99% chances of that we sweep also this high this week, but to happen we have to inverse this fair value gap, or we can see a move lower and maybe sweep this low to continue higher. So we also have this other important high. If we sweep this high and if we continue going higher, we can also sweep this other high. In my opinion, after a sweep of these two highs, I expect a pullback, but we never know. If we enter in a phase that in the face of security, and if people want to not risk and if want to go on a safe asset, and if they go to gold, I think that we can see a bullish continuation after these two highs, but without that happening, I expect a sweep here and then a pullback, but I don't expect a new all-time high this week. We also have this other high, the all-time high one, but here I just expect a thing like this, either this or a move like this, a retest and a continuation higher. But for tomorrow I expect a little pullback to this inverse fair value gap and then a bullish continuation. So basically is that I don't expect any more crazy moves. This is the range that we're in at the moment. So if we have a sweep here, I will be very interested on taking longs. If we have a sweep here, I'll be interested on taking shorts. If we have a big deviation and if we have a retest here, a thing like this, if we deviate here and if we lose this level and if we retest here, I'll be very interested on taking shorts, but let's see. I can't predict what will happen, but this is the range, this is my plan for this week. So if you liked this weekly analysis and if you learned something, you can like and subscribe because it would help me a lot, and at the same time would help you a lot at the same time because you learn and you are also warned about what can happen every week. So if you liked, you can like and subscribe. See, so tomorrow I will record another trading recap all week. So like and subscribe, and tomorrow I'll be back for another trading recap. So see you tomorrow.